sharing this recipe or remedy because it has worked for my husband. It has worked for us. This is my coconut. Coconut are especially high in potassium, which is essential for bone health and metabolism of carbohydrates. Copper and iron, which help form red cells, as well as selenium, an important antioxidant that protects. Coconut is good for your joystick. Any man who is eating coconut meat and drinking coconut water, that man is gonna perform as a natural alternative to Viagra. Guys, you don't need to look nowhere no more. You don't need to go and be spending your money to be buying Viagra tablets. This is your natural Viagra, coconut water and the coconut milk, because it stimulates and strengthens reproductive function, especially in men. In men, it increases sperm count and sperm mortality. It is a natural source of electrolytes. It contains potassium and B vitamins. It makes it the perfect 1 hour before bedtime. My guy, you will ride like a horse. Your wife will give you a crown. She will be calling you my king. Any woman you see call their husband my king. Hello, my king. You know the man is performing. So do you know that coconut has health benefits specific to men? Sexual health. Not only coconut meat is good, source of bring out the water. Let the water go. That is coconut water is dripping. Coconut water is dripping. It's taking its time to come out. 1 hour before your bedtime. My God. So when you drink coconut, you will take charge. You will be the man. Your wife will call you my king. My king. My crown. You'll be giving the coconut. This is the coconut meat. Yeah. This is date. This one is date. Yeah. This is a snack. Even if you are 60 and above, eat these delicious healthy snacks and thank me later. Coconuts and dates, wrap them, sit down there, eat it before 1 hour before you go to bed. This is the coconut water. When you eat these 3 things combined, your sugar cane will be like, oh my gosh, you will do your job. You will go 40 minutes. So what you will do every night or every twice in a week, you can do this, or you can do this every day if you are not really performing. This is the coconut water. Drink the coconut water. The date that has no seed in it. This one is seeded, yeah. So I'm gonna remove the seed from that is the seed. Put it aside. Then that is the date, yeah. What you do, you wrap it with the coconut. This is what you do to all of them. Yeah, wrap it with the coconut. Push it aside. Keep removing the seed. This is what then you sit down. The man will sit down. You guys will be watching TV or a movie. Then he will be eating this snack gradually before bedtime. He will come and thank me. Drink the coconut water. You will come and bless me. You will come and say, thank you so much for this. Your channel has really blessed my marriage, blessed my relationship. Wrap. That is the date. The coconut is wrapped inside the date, yeah? This is the snack you'll be giving your man to eat before you go to bed. After he has finished each of the snack wrapped in coconut, let him drink the coconut water 1 hour before you go to bed. Even if he is above 60, below, even if he has 3 wives, that night he can ride the 3 wives with no complaint. He will do his job, take control. Okay, guys, all men should eat this healthy snack. This is a very healthy snack for all men. All men, look at it. It's just date and coconut. Date and coconut. That is all you need with the water. That is the coconut water. Drink the coconut water, guy. Yeah? This will boost your energy, boost your joystick. Your sugar cane will be working perfectly. Good luck. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Stay blessed. See you soon.